kimchi pasta. Slice the 3 cloves of garlic thinly. Cut some onion into appropriate sizes. If you have a bacon, slice it a little. You can use a pork belly instead of a bacon. Thinly slice about 2 leaves of kimchi. In boiling water, add about half tablespoon of salt. This is rigatoni. You can use spaghetti instead of rigatoni. Boil for 11 minutes. While the pasta is boiling, stir fry the ingredients. In a pan, add a generous amount of avocado oil or olive oil. Add a sliced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Add a sliced onion, bacon, and kimchi, and stir fry well. Add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. It balances the sourness of the kimchi and enhances the flavor of the dish. After 11 minutes, drain the pasta and add it to the pan without rinsing. Add about 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Adjust the seasoning with a little salt, pepper, and herbs if you have any. Mix well. Put some of your favorite cheese. Plate the pasta and serve. The kimchi pasta I introduced today is a dish I adapted by adding kimchi to a recipe my son made. I hope you enjoy this recipe too. Surprisingly, the combination of kimchi pasta and cheese goes very well together and is so delicious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.